Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today is another Dollar Tree haul, and this is just kind of a random haul of random things, all kinds of items. So if that sounds good to you, you are definitely in the right place. Of course, if you're returning, thank you so much for coming on back for another video. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Jessica, and I love to do a lot of dollar store oriented makeup and shopping content. So if that's your thing, you are definitely in the right place. Please become what I like to call one of my Dollar Divas. Hit that subscribe button and the bell. That way you do not miss a future upload. Yes, without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's haul. So I've got some kind of household items. I'm gonna be going on a trip in a couple of weeks, and I'm planning on just taking a carry-on. So I wasn't sure what my Ziploc quart bag situation was, and the ones I had I didn't really like anyway. So I picked up this, it comes with 7 bags. It's the Hefty brand, and it's actually a stand and fill expandable bottom, which is interesting. But they're quart size, which, you know, you need that 3 ounce or less filling a quart bag type of thing for the TSA. So you get 7 of them. They have a little slide top. I thought for $1.25, that was really, really, really good. So got a pack of these. I want to see what that whole concept looks like, actually. I didn't realize that when I bought them, so now I'm very intrigued. Okay, I see. So yeah, it comes with like a wide bottom versus it just being, you know, that's gonna be, I think, really handy for like toiletries. Of course, you get that, ooh, that's a good zip. That's gonna be good. I think the last ones I got for my trip in December were Total Home brand. I think they were from CVS and they were horrible. Didn't want to stay closed. So yeah, that's gonna make my life a whole lot easier. Then I picked up these Aquarelle antibacterial travel wipes. They have vitamin E and aloe. There's 40 of them. They're for hands and face. They're ideal for traveling, moisturizing. They're a thick and soft cloth, fresh scent. These are just kind of handy to keep in my car. Antibacterial in them. So yeah, I'm just gonna be keeping these in my car. Sometimes I eat stuff or want to eat and my hands feel gross. So thought that would be really good for the car. So you saw these in a recent haul, and FYI, they're really great. It's these O-Cedar Playtex Hand Saver rubber, like reusable gloves, like for dishwashing and stuff. And I bought the pair, I bought a set in medium, and what I like about these is you get 2 pair to the package. And I'm using the blue pair at the moment. They're wonderful, absolutely wonderful. I've been using them a couple weeks now. The medium size is perfect. They actually have a size guide on the back to let you know what size you need. Medium fits me perfect. They also have small, and they have large. So my husband wanted his very own as well, because his gloves, we each have our own set of gloves to wash dishes. So he wanted a set of his own. So I bought another set for me and a set for him as well. So I'm gonna go really quick through a couple of food items and then get into more fun stuff. So I recently did a grocery haul from the Dollar Tree, and I'll have that link down below. And this particular trip, I was a little hungry and I just bought some snacks. So I just wanted to share with you what I got there. And I had already opened a couple of these. This is the Fiera's Spicy Nacho. They're gluten-free, and they're like little twists, you know? And honestly, they're just a little bit too spicy. I will probably finish eating them because they're not terrible, but they are a bit spicy for my taste. Then I actually already ate this, and I just stuck it back in the bag after my haul because I was hungry. But this is the Trail's Best Beef and Cheese Stick. And these are kind of like the Slim Jim ones, you know, the beef sticks, the beef and cheese, whatever. And I love those. This was almost as good. I still prefer those. They have like one that's like a Parmesan and they like a cheddar one. And I like the Slim Jim ones better, but in a pinch, that's a really, really nice snack. I also ate a little bit of this and then I kind of got full. This is the Tillamook brand. They sell actually a lot of things at my local grocery store, like cheeses and ice cream and all that kind of thing. So this is like a brand. This is the Teriyaki smoked sausage, and it's got 9 grams of protein, no artificial ingredients, no nitrates, and it's a 1 ounce beef stick. And I've eaten a little bit of it. I just like to keep something like this kind of on hand. Like I said, I got kind of full, but yeah, it's really pretty good. It's really pretty good. Then the last food item, and we'll move on to some other more fun stuff. You saw in my last haul that I had hauled the double-decker salted caramel moon pies, and that they have several flavors. Well, I've already eaten a few of these, but they're the vanilla moon pies, and they're the minis. And honestly, I like the double-decker, but sometimes it's actually a little bit too much, if I'm being honest. Then you have like the regular single ones. But look at how cute these are. They are like the perfect size snack. And the vanilla is delicious. All the flavors, honestly, are delicious. So each one is, I think each one is an ounce because it says 6 mini pies is 6 ounces. So I think each one is an ounce. So I think they had chocolate minis as well. And then they've got, like for the double decker, they've got a couple different flavors. So I actually bought a couple of these a while back and I wanted to pick up another one because I really, really like it. I'm actually using it currently. It's these little MAC makeup sponges by Lab 2. It stands for Live and Breathe Beauty. It's the Call Me Mr. Perfect Sponge Applicator. It's for applying liquid and cream foundations for expert and precise application. And what I like about it is you have the big end and then you have like the little end, and that's really nice for like around your eyes. So bought another one of those. Then I recently hauled a luggage tag for my trip and I wanted to get a second one because I do have 2 suitcases, even though I'm probably not gonna bring 2. I'm just gonna do a carry-on. I thought this was really cute, so I picked it up. And this one's a little smaller than the last one I hauled. Actually, the one I hauled is here. So, and this is the new one. It's a gnome eating watermelon, and I love gnomes, so I had to buy this one. So, you know, you can put your address and everything like that. Honestly, really, I just find putting my phone numbers enough. That way people can contact me or whatever. So, yeah, so I wanted to buy another one of those, and I thought that one was absolutely adorable. And then also for my trip, I'm going to my best friend's house, so she's gonna have a lot of things. I don't have to like pack a ton of toiletries, but I did want to bring a couple of things. So deodorant really doesn't count as long as it's stick deodorant for the TSA. It's not a liquid or a cream or anything. So I just picked up this, and I'm using spray deodorant at the moment, and I just didn't want to mess with it. So I got this little stick deodorant. It's the Suave Tropical Paradise Anti-Staining Invisible Solid. It's an antiperspirant deodorant, 48-hour protection, and it's just a nice little size. And like I said, you don't have to worry about your stick deodorants in the TSA. It smells really nice, so bought one of those. And then I bought this for my last trip as well. It's 1.7 ounces, so it's perfectly sized. It's the Pond's Pure Detox Facial Foam, and I really enjoyed this cleanser. So yeah, I ended up using it up at home, or else I really just should have kept it so I could use it for this trip, but I didn't really know if I would get to take this trip. So I used it up. So I bought another one. It's a really nice cleanser. It smells like a spa. A little bit goes a long way. And so yeah, for $1.25, that's a really great deal. And then I found this as well. You saw this in a couple walkthroughs ago, and I've been seeing over the last several months where they have some Crabtree and Evelyn products like hand creams. Well, I found a shower gel and I had to pick it up. This is the Crabtree and Evelyn La Source Body Wash. And this again is 1.7 fluid ounces. And it's got the little foil thing on there. Oh my God, that smells so good. It smells like the beach. It smells so good. So I wanted to pick up that because that's kind of like a luxurious thing at the Dollar Tree. So I recently revealed that I'm working on a Lady Gaga tribute act, and I'm actually making the Super Bowl costume that she wore. And so I also want to make those little appliques for my eyes. And I've had a hard time kind of finding, I don't want to individually do the rhinestones, that's just too much work. I've been wanting to find like sticker sheets that are like red rhinestones, the right size, all that kind of thing. Well, this particular Dollar Tree had some, and I'm not sure if they're like an entire sheet, but this is what I found, and we're gonna open them up and check them out. So I bought 2 of these, and I'm curious to see. I've also just got something in the mail because this is proving to kind of be one of the harder parts of this whole project. Yeah, it's as I suspected. They're like in strips. But my idea is that I can take these strips and put them on something. I'm thinking maybe like, I don't know if you can buy like, you know, like the lace front wigs, kind of the netting that blends in with your skin. If I can find that and put these on there and then somehow stick that to my skin, and then that would like disappear like lace front wig. I don't know. I've got some other things that I can use, but for $1.25, this particular Dollar Tree had these, and I had never seen them before. And then at the checkout line, I thought this was really cute. It's basically a little prayer box, and they had some different sayings on them. This one says, "Give it to God," and it's just basically, I've already got a prayer in here. It comes with like a little notebook and a little pencil, and you know, it's got a little scripture in here, and I just thought that was a really, really cute little idea. So I picked up one of those. I was feeling, I don't know, perhaps a little down that day. And last but not least, I wanted to buy more stickers. I like to do a lot of giveaways, and I like to put a little thing, you know, and put a little sticker on there. Now, I haven't been able to find my owl ones that I love. I still have a sheet of them, the little owls with the googly eyes, but I thought these were really, really cute, so I picked these up. This is a 28-piece sticker set by the brand Jot, and it's like unicorns and rainbows and butterflies, and really, what more could you want? They're a little sparkly, so I picked up those, and then I also thought these were really cute too. Again, a little bit sparkly. This is a 36 piece of stickers, and it's like candy and food and all that kind of thing. So I thought these were super, super, super cute. So I will have my Dollar Tree haul playlist linked up here. That way, if you enjoy Dollar Tree hauls, I get you covered. I've got a ton of them. So definitely go binge watch some more hauls. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this. It does help me and my channel out so very much. You don't even understand. And share this video with anybody that you know that enjoys Dollar Tree hauls. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.